I've got a game-changing grits recipe that will have diabetics eating it guilt-free. Yes, you can have grits. Stay tuned for this recipe.
Now I need you to head off to your freezer, and as you can see, there was a huge sale on these frozen vegetables at the Kroger, so I always load up. And I need 2 bags of cauliflower rice, but I made a huge mistake. I only ordered 1. So I'm going to tell you the little secret of what to do. All you got to do is grab your regular cauliflower, throw it in the microwave, cook it for 5 minutes. Then you're going to grab your slow cooker and, little shameless plug. Yes, I am the author of Skinny Louisiana in the slow cooker. A little bit more Cajun-based recipes, and I show you how I made them in the slow cooker. Of course, low carb. And by the way, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. The secret ingredient, I'm going to go over a couple little ingredients with you, is almond flour. You can see this is Blue Diamond. I think I got this at Sam's, but it's at Kroger, Walmart. We have our 2 bags of our frozen cauliflower. You see that one is cooked right there. And then our Fairlife milk. So many of y'all are questioning, why am I using Fairlife instead of heavy whipping cream? Heavy whipping cream is insanely popular on keto, and I have a lot of recipes I do have heavy whipping cream. And then I have some recipes that I have Fairlife. And then there's always our friend half and half. And really it boils down to this. What am I cooking? And am I looking to reduce calories as well? I love heavy whip, but it's pretty high calorie. And this is where folks are gonna come and say, the calorie thing has been debunked, blah, blah, blah. I've personally realized when I eat a little too much, we're gonna have a problem. And heavy whipping cream can do that to us. So Fairlife milk, there's Fairlife, there's unsweet almond milk, which I find is really difficult to cook with, is one of the lowest carb milks on the market. Now, Kroger has a Carb Master brand. It's 6 grams of carbs. They take the lactose out of it. They add protein to it. We love protein. It keeps us full. Heavy whipping cream is the lowest. 1 gram, 1 cup has 3 grams of carbs. And then half and half, 2 tablespoons of half and half is 1 carb. So I always base it on what are my goals and what am I cooking. Shakes, smoothies, you can combine Fairlife and heavy whipping cream. A lot of soups, you can combine Fairlife and heavy whipping cream. Coffee, you could do half and half or a splash of heavy whip. It really all depends on you and your goals. Get the lid off that slow cooker or crock pot. Do you say crock pot or do you say slow cooker? Let me know in the comments below, because I'll say slow cooker in clinic and folks will go, you mean crock pot? And then I'll say crock pot and folks will go, oh yeah, it's a slow cooker. So you tell me what you say. But we're gonna go ahead and add those 2 bags of cauliflower. You can see I did cauliflower rice and regular cauliflower. Normally I would do 2 bags of cauliflower rice. You all know cauliflower, awesome vegetable, very low carb, perfect for diabetic cooking, but it can be a little weird tasting, and that's why we add the almond flour to this. Now, really quick, I forgot to tell you to spray that slow cooker with your nonstick cooking spray. We're adding to this a cup of our almond flour. Now, remember gang, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 5 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber. This is a great flour for low carb cooking, for diabetic friendly. It is absolutely wonderful. This is what you're gonna use. This is what's gonna give this recipe its thickness. Because for me, I like grits that are thick. If you like that runny stuff, and then you're gonna add to that a 1/2 cup of your Fairlife. Go ahead and cover it, and we're gonna cook this on low for about 2 to 3 hours. Now this absolutely smells amazing, but we have 2 more ingredients to add to this. We're adding a 1/2 block of light cream cheese. Now my keto folks are gonna wanna do regular. Always just double check on the label that the sugar there's no added sugar to it. The sugar is 0. This is the Philadelphia cream cheese that I added to it. And then a cup of your shredded cheese. And I had somebody kind of leave a boo-boo comment about how, hey, can we use that? I mean, I just read the ingredient label, and if everything looks good, I am okay. You see this is stirred, it's thick, it's creamy, it's delicious. Scroll in the description box for the recipe, and be sure to subscribe. Much love.